Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to use pivot table for analyzing the complex table or a large set of data. Okay, so let's start learning. So what I am going to show you today, see, I have some data with me. So this is the sheet what I have, and there's a large data. Okay, so what I'm going to use, I have some set of questions with me. So questions are like, see, number of units purchased by each rep in last 2 years, total number of each items used, and total number, what is the order value of each items. Okay, so I have this sheet. In this sheet, what are the uh, things I have the order date, means like year, what are the reason, in which region, what are the name of the reps, items, which rep has purchased which item, and what is the number of units they have purchased, what is the per cost unit cost, 1 unit, what is the cost of this pencil, and what is the total order value, what each and every rep has placed in the particular year. So what was my question? It was number of unit purchased by each rep in last 2 years. So see, I have the name of all the reps and the number of units they have purchased in last 2 years. So I want total sum of units what Jones has ordered in last 2 years. Like not only 2020, it is 2021 also. What is the total units John has ordered? Jones had ordered. Okay, so for this I will use pivot table. So what I'm gonna do is I will select the sheet, I will insert, and I will go to the pivot table. Okay, this is my pivot table. In this I am getting the options like select the range of table, which already I have selected. This is the table which I am going to use. And what is the next? It is choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So I want my pivot table to be placed in a new worksheet, because if I am going to use the existing worksheet, then if by mistake any data will get deleted, then it is a problem. So I will select this option, new worksheet, and in this location, if you want to save that pivot table in a specific location, you can select location from this option. So okay, I will click on OK. Now in this I have in the right side, in my right side I have a bar in which I am getting the pivot table fields. So I have these field, whatever rows were there, heading was there in that sheet, I have all the headings in this table. So what I want, what I want the number of unit purchased by each rep in last 2 years. So what I am going to do is I need name of the reps in rows. So I will drag the rows. I will drag the rep in these rows. So I got the name of all the reps present in this company. Okay. Next, I want total number of units each rep ordered in the last 2 years. So units. So what I will do, this unit I will drag it to the values. So in this, what system will do, it will take sum of all the units. Okay, so I got Andrews has ordered 183 units total, including all the items. Gills had ordered 213 units. And if I want the count of units, means total number of units, how many units and you have ordered. So I will just do this. Click on this down arrow, go to the value field setting and just select count. If you want count, you can select count. If you want average, and we have so many options like product, min, max. So here I want sum. So it is auto selected. So I will just select sum and I will click on OK. So I got the answer of my first question. See, if I would have done it manually, then you have to select each and every rep names and what is the unit of ordered unit they have ordered. So you have to sum it and then you have to paste somewhere and you have to create the table. So using this pivot table, within some minutes, I got my data. Okay. Same for other also. I have what is the second question? Total number of each items used. So what I need, I will just move this back and this also. And my question is total number of units item used. Okay, not units. Total number of each item used. So I need item in my row and units in the sum in the value column. I need the sum. So you can, here I got the data. Binder total number of units ordered is 722. Desk is 10 and pencil is the second highest, that is 716. So I got this also. One more time I will show you like what is the total order value on each items. Okay, order value of each items I want. So just the same thing, already I have the item names in my first column. Okay, so this I will keep it. I will just remove this unit and I will drag it down, drag it back to this position, and then I will go to the total. I need the total order value of each item. So here you got what is the total order value of each item, what rep has ordered. So I got the total order value. Binder total order value is 9,577. And similarly other items also you can see what is the order value, and in this last row you can get the total, what is the grand total, what is the order value, total order value of all the items placed, okay, in last two financial year. This is the total order value of the last two financial year. So this also I got, like the question was what was the question? Yeah, I have the question. I forgot here. Where is the sheet? There is the sheet. So total order value. I got the total order value in this order value of each item. Already I have created a table, and I need the total order value of each reason. So on the same sheet, just I have to do what? In this place of item list, I need only the region. Which region has placed how many orders? Means what is the order value of each region? So I will just drag down the region in the rows, and here I got central region has placed the total order value of 11,139. West has placed 2,486, and similarly East has also placed the order value of 6,002 rupees. So I got the answer to my last question also, and this already we have taken what is the order value of each rep. For this also same you have to do. You have to just change this row and you need rep names. So I will just remove this and I will drag down my rep names in this row column. So here I got what is the order value and use placed. So he has placed a total order value of 438 rupees. I think Andrew is the lowest. His total order value is the lowest among all the reps. So here I got this data. So it is very easy. Like I have a large set of data. See, this data was not that much large. It was large, but not that much large. Okay. But when you are having a large set of data, like sales report of your company or any other report, inventory report, if you're having, so in that case, if you want to analyze that data and you want any particular data to be fetched from that master data, then at that time pivot table is very useful and it will save a lot of time. In this table, what I have prepared in this see we have different headings of row label, sum of total. If I want to change this row label heading, then just I have to do what I have to change the heading and I will get whatever heading I want. I can change it. And the same thing if I want to change the design of this table, like if you don't want this grand total as the last, you want this at the top of the row. So what we have to do, we have to just select pivot table, or at this design we have to select, go to the grand total, and you just have to on the column only, no sorry, subtotal, do not show subtotal, where's the, see, of I have selected grand total to be displayed on the bottom of the row and column. So what I have to do, I just on for row and column, I have to select the total will show at the bottom of the this table. So if I don't want this, just remove this off for row and column. Same, you have different designs for your table. Like if you want to present it in any different color or any different format, just you can select different designs. So many options you have in this. You can try it when you will start preparing pivot table. You can try different designs, and if you want to analyze anything, you can use this. One more thing, like I will show you, it is a little easy only, very helpful for you. This option is there, insert slicer. So when I will insert slicer, I just like what is the benefit of this slicer? Like if I will select any of the option like items, okay, and I will click OK. So I got the item list here. How it is helpful? Now, when I will select binder, then you will get the data of only binder. What is the order value of binder each and every rep has placed. So if I will click on binder, I got the binder data only. And if I will select desk, you will get the data of only desk. What is the order value of desk each and every rep? How many reps has placed order of desk? So slicer is very helpful, and for presenting also it is a very attractive thing what you can use in presenting your PPT or any any data. If you want to present in front of your team, you can easily use this. So hope everyone like this. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.